Good evening friends, this is Pradeep from Trading Clan. Happy to see you all in this video. In this video, we are going to see the predictions for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Before going to the predictions, if you are not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and please click the bell icon for further notification. Okay, we are going to see the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for tomorrow. So first we will move on Bank Nifty levels and then we will move on Nifty levels. Let us go to the Bank Nifty. In trading view window, normally we will prefer for 45 minutes time frame chart in trading view window. So we are opening the Bank Nifty in trading view window with 45 minutes time frame chart, and we are going to do our setups. So this is the support and resistance which we are marked here. Already yesterday itself we was marked the support and resistance. Today easily it's test our resistance. So we not need to do any changes in this support and resistance levels. We can see the tomorrow market and we can redefine our levels. So now we need to look out the current area. Today the market has reached the resistance level. We was in the morning we was predicted that market will reach 36,000. Today morning it's easily reached that 36,000. So right now market is at our resistance point. So we need to be very careful in this point. Market can go fall. Anything may happen. There is a possibilities for breakouts also. If we will mark one level, if the market moves above that level, we can look for buy calls. So I am going to mark the black dotted line. That is my buying line. So whenever the market moves above that line, we can go for buy calls. I am going to mark that levels and I am going to mark that values now. The market reached 36,000. 36,000 is a one roundup value. So always we need to pay attention to that value. Because of the roundup value, the market will not go further. It will get retraced, I feel. But there is a chance for moving upside also. So this is the maximum point or peak point. Today it's the market reached this level, 36,000. So we can expect a retrace, but we have to notice if the market moves above this level 36,000, above the 36,000, maybe 36,050, whenever the market cross that level, we can go for buy call. Till that we don't look for buy call. If breaks 36,000, then we can enter our buy call. That's what my predictions. And I am looking for the market will go in downside movement, but for upside movement there is very less possibilities. So we will not look for upside movement as of now. I am looking for the market will fall in upcoming days. Whenever you see the round number, there will be always retrace. So right now also the market reached more than 1000 points and it's reached its round level of 36,000. So most probably the market should go in downside. And one more thing, the market already it is in resistance point. That is added advantages for the down put calls. So I felt that the market will go in downside. We can keep our stop loss as the maximum peak. That is 36,000 is we can keep our stop loss level. I am looking forward the Bank Nifty will go in downside and it will hit our target. That's what I am expecting. I am expecting the Bank Nifty will test 35,700. That's what I am going to. That's what I am going to predict the market as of now. So my trade is very clear. Whenever the market not cross this 36,100, we can always go for put calls, and our targets are very clear. 35,700 is our target. So now let we move on Nifty predictions. We will open the Nifty in our trading window with the 45 minutes time frame chart. Okay, right now the market we not need to change anything in our levels. So support line and resistance line we can kept as the same. So look at this area, it's already broke our resistance line. So there is a possibilities for going upside, but we are not sure about that. So whenever the market having pulling power, then we can go for upside movement, but we can keep on levels. Whenever the market crosses that level, then we can go for upside, because there is a, whenever the breakout, there is a chance for retrace. There is a high probability for getting retrace. So I am looking forward the market will not go in upside, but there is a possibilities for going upside. Furthermore, we need to check some levels. So I am keeping 15,970 is my level for buying. Above that we can go for buy call. Always we need to ensure, if it is moves in upside also, always we need to ensure the upside movement is continuing or not. Then we can go for buy call. That is to 15,000, above 15,970. Before that we should not focus for buy call. I am looking the market will get some retrace, expecting a retrace, but cannot assure. We will see the real-time market and we will update in our group. So right now I am looking for the market retracement levels and all. We can going to draw now. We can. I am expecting 3 retracement levels for Nifty. I am going to draw that levels right now. I am expecting the Nifty will not break the new high and it will come down and it will test our resistance line. So I am expecting the targets levels are 15,900 is the first target and 15,850 is the second target. Even more, 15,820 is the third target. There is a possibilities for reaching these targets. I am looking Bank Nifty in the downside only, not in the upside. We will see the real market and we can redefine our views. Those things will be posted in our group. So any people is willing to join with our group, you can also join. So you can enjoy the trade and you can check our predictions, how we are doing. You can earn and you can learn and earn. Let's see tomorrow. This is my predictions for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So finally we will conclude our predictions. I am expecting Bank Nifty and Nifty should go in downside. For Bank Nifty, 35,700 is possible and we can keep our stop loss as 35,980. And for Nifty, 15,000 downside only it will go. 15,880 is the first target and 15,820 is the second target. There is a possible for reach our levels. Let's see tomorrow, and after seeing the market we can redefine our views and we will update in our group. Let's see on Friday. Let's see on tomorrow. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me. You can also join with us and you can enjoy the trade, earn with us, grow with us. Thanks for watching the video. If these videos are useful to you, please do like, share and subscribe. Please don't forget to click the bell icon for further notification. Thank you. Grow with us.